Alright guys, back with the Bill's XR7, the Cougar. Currently on a pause, just real quick, because it's really hot and Scotty needed to go rest, so I'm currently playing find the brackets and the bolts and where everything goes. And so far, I mean, a lot of it is just going back and watching videos. I figured out that this one goes there. Those two bolts actually bolt into the top of the compressor. So, yeah, just lots of playing. Where the hell does everything go? I believe this goes somewhere around here, because that's our tensioner. Or, no, wait, no. This one goes somewhere around here. I know this bracket goes, I believe, in that bolt hole. It's one of the, I don't think it's that one. It might be that one, I don't know. I know it's one of these, because that's what the alternator, or I believe the alternator. I'm not sure. I didn't take any of this apart, so I just gotta go back and watch all the old videos, kind of figure out where the hell everything goes. So yeah, hopefully next time you guys see me, I have all, if not most, of the brackets on. Yay.